USA here, and I'm just chillaxing.
Hi guys, Canada here. I just wanna say hi.
Warning, may contain inappropriate things.
Hey
slurs,
guys, I'm
and
having an
country
ice cream
BFOGS.
party soon.
Hey Japan mate, why do you have earthquakes?
Hi guys, I'm at an flying saucer. Ooh. Hi guys, I'm just dancing and my boyfriend Australia is a cop.
Emergency alarm. Emergency alarm.
Hi guys, I'm just doing a trick.
Melee jump scare.
Jemmy I like bongo drum.
Wee woo.
Me entering an invisible store. Get away from me, Pa. Hey guys, I found a pot of gold.
I'm so dumb. What kind of country am I?
My take.
I want my papa.
That's this. Hey, funny noises.
Hey, I'm gonna invade Japan.
7、6、5、4、3、2、1。
We interrupt our programming. This is a national emergency. The following message is transmitted to the request of the Arabian Republic of Egypt. This is not a test. A nuclear attack is occurring against Egypt. A nuclear warheads has been launched from the United States and they are expected to strike Egypt within 15 minutes. Due to the uncertain facts about this missile, all residences of Egypt should seek out and prepare to take shelter immediately.
Who wants my... Oh, no robot invasion.
Wait, I'm going up.
I can't breathe. Are you okay, Somalia?
You shouldn't break my baguette.
You're going to Brazil.
Wait. Let's see what happened.
What? Run, Russia is bombing me.
I'm so tired I want to have... Oya daddy. Iran, please. Oh yeah, some more. Lol, just walking and gonna see the sun.
By the way, bonus question. Have you found lol I'm funny from China? Let me know. And if Algeria x Iran sounds funny, but they date.